Welcome to Rosegate, an affordable new home community located in Lancaster, South Carolina. My name is Lori. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at Rosegate. Must-have number 1, an affordable new home. Tired of paying rent? Now you can own a new home for the same or less than rent. Just imagine how it will feel knowing your monthly payments are going towards something that you own. Must-have number 2, updated finishes. These one-story homes have a 2-car attached garage with features like granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and more. Inside, you'll be able to pick your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. You'll start by choosing a floor plan, which can have up to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,700 square feet, giving you enough room to spread out or host friends and family. Then you'll work with us to design your dream space. It's as easy as that. Must-have number 3, low-maintenance yard. Enjoy your weekends doing things you love and relaxing. That's because every home at Rosegate comes with lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 4, convenience. No matter where you are headed, getting there is easy. You'll be located right off Highway 9, where all your everyday conveniences are within reach. You'll be less than 5 minutes away from Main Street in Lancaster for local shops and restaurants, and Highway 521 is less than 3 miles away. Ready to love where you live at Rosegate? If I checked everything off your list, take the next step by coming to see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.